The pressure is on for UK companies to reduce their energy and tackle their carbon.
But during the peak of the energy crisis in 2022, many organisations were desperate to save on their energy costs. Some turned to energy-saving projects to help do this. The challenge with energy efficiency projects is knowing where and when the consumption is taking place. That's why we need to get behind the meter. This is where technology such as circuit-level monitoring comes in. Let's show you how this works.
At Inspired, we have 4 distribution boards with 1 meter that feeds in. Behind one of those boards, you'll find your circuits. What we've done is we've clipped our sensors to our 9 circuits to give us individual readings. So each of the 20 sensors, all connected wirelessly, collects data every 10 seconds and transmits to a single bridge. That bridge then sends the data to the cloud via Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or cellular every 60 seconds, where it's stored and analyzed. For the first 2 weeks of our system installation and configuration, we use this time to establish a baseline.
When you're in the portal, you can see your total building consumption. When we started analysing the data, we noticed that our daytime consumption was quite typical for an office. However, we noticed that our out-of-hours consumption was particularly high. We were able to drill down using circuit-level monitoring and find the waste source. When we looked at the air conditioning units, which are responsible for the heating and cooling of the building, we found the problem. The data showed excessive out-of-hours consumption. The air conditioning was using more power when people weren't in the office.
With these data insights, we were able to implement AC scheduling during the working week and turn it off completely during the weekends. By analyzing our consumption across a 4-month winter period, we could then see just how much energy, carbon, and cost we had saved. We were even able to find further savings by switching off our heat recovery fans, avoiding more wasted energy.
What were the results of that? Well, within 4 months, we were able to see a 12,000 kilowatt-hour saving, over 2.62 tonnes of CO2 equivalent saving, and make a return on investment well within a year.
Going forward, Inspired are using automated alerts to quickly identify excessive consumption, as well as system notifications to remind office management to turn non-programmable devices off at the end of the day.
Inspired's monitoring and targeting services are deployed across some of the most complex estates in the UK. For many organisations, a 20% cut in energy costs can represent the same bottom line benefit as a 5% increase in sales. So introducing energy technologies such as circuit level monitoring can really make a huge difference.